If you plan to vote on Election Day, you need to check your voter registration to make sure it is up to date. Have you moved, been married or divorced, or changed your name since the last time you voted? Then your voter registration needs to be updated. The deadline to update your voter registration is Monday, October 17th. But don't wait. Update it today. Checking your voter registration status is easy. Visit the Virginia Department of Elections online at Vote.Virginia.Gov. Select Update/Check Registration. Or contact the Fairfax County Office of Elections at 703-222-0776, TTY 711. Email voting@fairfaxcounty.gov. Election Day is Tuesday, November 8th.